Hi there, Lucifer here, and I've been recently asked, what do you do when your pads, like the pads in your helmet and the pads that you wear on your elbows and knees, what do you do when you have to clean them? They get kind of smelly, getting kind of ripe. Well, I'm here to tell you. First, you need to find yourself a receptacle like this here bucket got from a hardware store, or some kind of tub, or something that can hold water. Maybe you could do it in your bathtub if you have one. And you just chuck your pads and whatnot in there. Get your helmet pads, all that. Look at that. I'm already running out of room. I might have to do this in two, not one, but two, stages. Get all my pads out. Get out of there. Go on, get. Sweaty. Yeah, the helmet in particular gets kind of ripe. All of your melon juices seep out. All right. Then what you do is you get some either baby shampoo or like dish soap, like Dawn is particularly good, and you sprinkle it liberally amongst the pads and shoot it with a high pressure water hose, or in your bathtub, of course. If they're particularly soiled and dirty, you might like rub them together, or use like one of those green scrubby pads with a sponge on one side, and soap them all up, and then rinse them out real good. You might want to rinse them out 2 or 3 times to make sure you get all the soap and old sweat out. And then you wring them out and you let them air dry. You're not going to want to put them in your washer or your dryer, because that can cause some issues. Yeah, so since this bucket isn't huge, I'm going to do it in 2 or 3 steps here. Got my handy dandy wash soap. And of course you want to get the sweatiest parts. Just a little drizzle. Doesn't take much. And like I said, you can use a scrub pad or your fingers or whatever, and try to get the soap around there, get it saturated into the pad. In fact, a scrubby sponge might be a lot easier. Yeah, that's better. Get the straps. Ready, aim, fire! Washy, washy, washy. There we go. And you'll just want to rinse those out really well. Just spray them off until it runs clear. If you can, try to wring out the straps and any padding that's loose enough to wring anyway. That'll speed up the drying process. Can't really wring that, but there we go. And then, if you can, sit this in the sun or someplace, well, dry, outside. And let them drip dry, air dry, whatever. And then just move on to the next one, next set, and repeat as needed. Yeah, these elbow pads are particularly grimy since they are directly in contact with skin. So give them a good scrub, soak them up really well. Get the straps. And dunk them in your soapy water. Ooh-wee. It's been a while. See that dirt? See that dirt in there? That's dirt and sweat, my friends. And dunk it in the soapy water. Got some soap still in there. Just try to push as much of the water out of the padding as possible. And that also gives you a chance to see if there's any soap left trapped in there. And set it aside to dry. Last up is the helmet padding. Probably the sweatiest padding that I have right now. Dunk, dunk, dunk. Give it a good wring. Get most of the soap out anyway. Relocate that. And blast it with water. Okay, give it a good wring. See if I got most of the soap out. Yep, it's looking clear. What do I got left? Cheek pads. These, they don't look particularly soiled, so what I'm going to do is just dunk them in this soapy water and kind of squish it to get it fully saturated with that soapy water. Squish, squish, squish. I don't see any soap coming out. And I'll blast it one more time just in case. There we go. Now, depending on where you live, of course, that'll dictate how long it's going to take for all that stuff to dry out enough to use again. Here in Central California, since the temperatures are currently above 100 degrees, I should be able to reuse these in probably a few hours. But, you know, a few hours to a full day of drying. So, you know, if you're up north or somewhere where it's a little cooler, a little wetter, your results may vary. So there you go. Don't be stinky, don't be dirty. Wash your pads every once in a while, will ya? Hey, this is Lucifer. Until next time, stay safe.